In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the New Layers tab in Canva. If you've ever worked on a busy design with lots of photos, shapes, and text, you know how helpful it is to see everything that's stacked on your canvas. That's exactly what the Layers tab is for. It gives you a clean, organized view of every element in your layout, so you can understand how your design is built at a glance. Let's keep this simple. First, head to your project. That just means open the specific design you want to work on, so you're inside the Canva editor, looking at your canvas and the usual toolbars. Make sure the design is fully loaded and the editor is in focus. If you are browsing your home page or template gallery, switch into the actual design view so the shortcut is ready to go. From here, to access the Layers tab, simply press Alt, then 1. That's it. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard and tap the number 1 on the top number row. As soon as you do, the Layers panel will appear, showing all the items in your current page or artboard, stacked from front to back. This is the fastest way to open it without digging through menus. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If nothing happens, click once on a blank spot on your canvas to make sure you're not actively typing inside a text box. Shortcuts won't fire if your cursor is in editing mode. Also check that your Canva tab is selected and your browser window is active. Some keyboards treat the top row numbers differently than the number pad, so use the number key above the letters for the most reliable result. When the panel opens, you'll see a clear list of the elements in your design. This view is especially useful when objects overlap, or when a small icon or shape is hiding behind something else. With the Layers tab visible, it's much easier to understand what's on top, what's beneath, and how complex scenes are structured. It's a great way to sanity check your layout before exporting, especially on multi-element social posts, presentations, or thumbnails. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, press Alt, then 1, and the Layers tab pops right up. Keep this shortcut in your muscle memory, and you'll save time every time you build or refine a design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more organized workflow in Canva.